Welcome to this quick and easy tutorial on how to connect CJ Dropshipping with your Amazon store. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to integrate these two platforms to streamline your e-commerce operations and start fulfilling orders effortlessly. Let's dive in. Before we start, make sure you have accounts on both platforms. If you don't have one yet, head over to the CJ Dropshipping website and register using your email address. Ensure that your Amazon seller account is already set up. If not, visit Amazon Seller Central and complete the registration process. Now, log into your CJ Dropshipping account. Once you're in, go to your dashboard to get started. In the My CJ section, find and click on Authorize Shop. This is where you can add your Amazon store to link with CJ Dropshipping. To integrate the two platforms, you'll need to use Amazon's Marketplace Web Service, MWS, API. This can be found in the CJ Dropshipping API section. Now, copy your API key from CJ Dropshipping. Then, log into your Amazon seller account and go to Settings, Authorization Management. Click on Authorize Developer. Type CJ Dropshipping as the developer name and paste your API key. Next, you'll be prompted to grant permissions for inventory and order management. Make sure you select the necessary permissions and confirm the authorization. Once your accounts are linked, use the tools provided by CJ Dropshipping to import product listings, including images and descriptions, directly into your Amazon store. Double-check that all products comply with Amazon's policies to avoid any issues. With the accounts connected, you can now manage your inventory and fulfill orders directly through CJ Dropshipping. This makes it easy to ensure timely shipping and enhance your customer satisfaction. That's it. By following these steps, you can easily connect CJ Dropshipping to your Amazon store, giving you the tools to expand your product offerings and streamline your dropshipping operations. Just remember to always follow Amazon's terms of service and guidelines while setting up and managing your store. If linking doesn't work for some products, you may need to manually list them using CJ Dropshipping product details like descriptions and pricing. Happy selling! And if you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more e-commerce tips.